Hey, thanks for watching. This is Clear Headlight Restoration. You can go to clear.us for more information. I'm going to show you a quick video on how it's done. You tape it, you scuff it with a 1500 sandpaper. Once it's smooth, you spray. After you spray it, you get a black light and you wand it. What's happening is there's a curing agent and there's a heat wave that comes off of this black light, and it hardens the liquid plastic that we just sprayed on there. Sunlight can also harden it. This is for quick delivery. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes to do a set of lights. We charge about $89 a set. Some are less, some are more, it just depends. We've been using this for over 8 years now. We've done over 1,500 applications. We know it lasts at least that long, so it'll outlast the vehicle. It comes with a warranty against yellowing or hazing.